You want to get really red-pilled? Look up Taliban drug treatment. Ask yourself, super simple question. Is the Taliban drug treatment program, you can look this up, there are videos of it online. Does it produce a higher or lower relapse rate than the American version in, say, Delray Beach, Florida? And the answer is not just yes, but hell yes, because they don't wean them off with methadone. This whole thing is a freaking lie. By the way, a lot of people get rich off that. You know who you are if you're listening. Some of them are big political donors who get rich on drug treatment programs. Disgusting. And it doesn't work. It works for some small percentage, but it doesn't work for most. That's for sure. And a lot of them die and they never lead productive, joyful lives. And the Taliban have a faith-based, I know I'm going to probably get pulled off YouTube for saying this, but it's true. I'm saying this as a Christian, not a Muslim. They have a faith-based, no-nonsense, zero intoxicant policy in their rehab, and it works, and ours doesn't.